ogbu mmadụ ndụ na-agụ n'elu ụwa ọgụ adaala ọgụ adaala onye ọbụla azọwụrụ isi onwe ya finally it's about to go down. My brothers and sisters in the Lord. Oh, you know how we do video in Ebuzi Amuma. I remember video. Autumn. My people, please. My people, if they don't confirm, I go come here. I go the one you. I go the one you. I go the one you. I don't go use this kind of one you now. No, I don't say everybody here open since just as my own open. Now since 12 midnight the news break, sha. You understand? You need the evidence. Don't worry, now evidence they come. On I go hear in confession, you go use your hand, talk waiting. My people, you know you can happily share the news now. Okay? Don't worry, video is coming. His confession will come. They go bring his confessional statements now. If video they come, no worry. But I don't hear say you know too well. You understand? So maybe maybe sickness go by him after the confession. I don't know. I don't know. You understand? Maybe if sickness sweep by him after the confession, when I know what I mean. Person one user me play. See, now because they never get your time. Now because they never get your time. And that person go think say you go do all these things finish, can't go scot-free. Yeah. That person believe for your mind like this now, you go do all these things finish, can't go scot-free. It's not possible. It's impossible. You cannot do all these things and go free. They give our military 24 hours to release. Who they give our military 24 hours to release? Now in dead body, they go release for them. Okay, then they give army 24 hours to release. Make we see who go. See, army, make una no even need to bother. Una no need to bother ourselves. Now we not go to anybody. We open mouth talk that kind of thing. Okay? It's true. True, Maudinga Kibe. Oh, young it's true. It's 100% true, 100% certified information. Gentle is at the border between the living and the dead. You understand? So they boundary. You know, say you get the boundary of the living. You know, say the time where they arrest them, some kind of thing happen. You know too well. You understand? So the information are still sketchy. The information coming out are still sketchy, but I know he is not feeling very well. Maybe before this evening you go by, or this weekend you go by, but the whole I'm sure he will give them many evidence, especially the hotel where they go stay for Umunze. So this will be the time for them to go after all the people that have been giving him cover. Wonderful, wonderful people. My dear, see, all thanks to the army and the DSS for a wonderful job, for a job well done. We appreciate them. And anybody shouting that they are giving our law enforcement 24 hours to free him, the person should come close and say it. You know, come close and say it. Or Kigwe people, I'm not going to tell you how to handle all the evil people that follow Gentilo, the family, the collaborators where they on a place. So, like I said, I will not be the one to tell you people how to handle them. It's up to you to handle them as you see fit. But if not me, life burial, if not me, life burial for every person that joined him, all the people that he was buying people alongside them, all of them. You say, are you sure? 100% sure that Igboa is gone, and gone forever. 100% sure. I'm giving you the factual truth. Somebody say fake news. Keep coping. Cope harder. Cope harder. Okay? Non-Sonkwa community don't vacate. I don't know. And I hear say they invite the Osun on Sonkwa. Hopefully it will not just be an ordinary invitation. Okay? Hopefully it will not be an ordinary invitation. My people, hit the like button and share the video. Share with friends and family. It is confirmed news. Okay? This one is shouting is fake news. Don't no problem now. At least by tomorrow evening, we will know who is telling the truth and who is lying. Okigwe should deal with those working. Everybody, starting from his family. Everybody. You mean so Akada man don't meet, of course. So they don't meet in Waterloo. Yes, they've arrested. And see the thing. Shebi in there, they shout. Should he be alive if he's actually eh? At least he's supposed to remain one granite. That when these people come, go put them for head. Poof. That one we go know say you be hero. You see them? When they go, they catch people. You catch on, hold old man, old woman. You hold old man or old woman. You go, they make noise. You go, they shout. Yeah, 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 yeah. We do this. We are people. Now, why should you be taken alive? Why should you be taken alive? You should have put one in your head and end it. Now, they get hope. Say they feel if you are be, yeah, you got free here. If you are baby, you know here. And this is the type of person. My brother, not the only popcorn. Oh. My people, from him, we are going to the next ones. Each and every one of these people, each and every one of them must pay for their evil. Kai. Everything they did, all the cries of so many people, I'm sure the celebration is immense. Imagine their traditional ruler, the Abuja. The buy soldiers, do everything, and at the end of the day, you still let them capture you alive. Your own finish. Now you then they call finish. Ibadan man say oti finish. O finish ini. He say you know disappear. Disappear away. Disappear for where? Where you want disappear? Go. Which power you get to disappear? I believe say you get Wimbe. Disappear go where? He dey not get any power. All these things are just evil and callous people that the ignorance of our people are allowed to thrive in our land. If not, how would such people, Onyo Okada, you see, Umuaka is being liberated by the military. They've not started any work at Umuaka yet. So long the one that calls himself for 8 million is still active. They never finish. Say bullet na water. Bullet don't turn iron now. Bullet don't turn iron. Where our people, man, the tears of so many people. You know, I'm beginning to imagine how if I'm trying to internalize what has happened. I'm trying to put myself in the shoes of the Okigwe people, and believe me, Kai, it may not be well with every single person that participated in this. It shall never be well with anybody whose hand is in this. Oh, Uchenna, you won't amuri omanze. If you dare umaka, you don't amuri omanze now. You don't tell where amuri omanze guys don't do their own. My people, hit the button and share. You can now report the news. Feel free to report it. It's been confirmed, and I guarantee you, here will be one of the first places you will see the video if the military decides to release the video. They will release the confessional statement. You know the way they did Onyami own. Yes, they will release the confessional statement. He must use his mouth and say all the things they did, not as if we need him to say it, but he needs to confirm it for the bingos. Okay? You need to confirm it for the bingos. Let the bingos that are still there, that are still hoping there is anything they are fighting for, know that these are just ordinary human beings. And those of you that were blindly supporting them, you say I no go enter Barnett's Plaza and I go make noise. Like say I carry my loudspeaker for day Barnett's now make noise. Or should we do a parade tomorrow? Get like 2 buses, 4 speakers, play better music, go all the markets where you go people full. Forget then capture gentle angel eye pencil, they no go catch. Now devil lipstick, they no go catch. They capture gentle. Now that one they no go catch. Yeah, even gentle, if you get sense, the first say they buy double lion suppose show am say in own time, day number. Of course, in mind don't they? Body don't tell him. Body don't tell him. Now they know say our law enforcement know the joke. All these things are because of see we in the Igbo. What the military need is our support. They just need our support. If you know where any of these criminals are, bring the information, they will be captured immediately. They will be captured immediately. I wish I was still drinking. Kai, I for finish one bottle of NEC right now. I wish I was still drinking. Eh? But I know go because of Umutobo, go drink waiting, go put my health in jeopardy. Now why are they doing my black coffee? Okay. Are you happy now they captured him? Are you asking me, can I judge? You're asking if I'm happy. I'm elated. I'm ecstatic. Eureka! They've captured you also. Have you people forgotten what he did to that army girl? Eh? Have you forgotten what he did to that army girl? By the girl, by the husband brothers. Even they tell him boys, say make they call part for them. Ojiye megini. The Egypt part one ye me. Eh? Forget, they are not, they don't owe anybody anything to show you his videos or photos. All you need to know is that he has been captured. Okay? He has been captured. He has been captured. That's all you need to know. As for now, they can't let him, if they like, let them say his head is falling off. He go by there. He go by there. And I mean, they tell on. He go by there. What the military needs is support. Stop buying on this propaganda that the military is there to buy you. They are there to do this. Oh, Fulani. Who told you? Our people are in the army too. Eh? Our people are in the army too. Somebody say show us the evidence. Don't worry, they wait now. They wait. We are not under any obligation to show you anything. You like, you believe it, you like, don't. Okay? Until the army deems it fit or the DSS deems it fit to show his face. Okay? He said the news is all over the internet. Forget being all over the internet. Take it from me. They have captured Ratiboy. They have captured Ratiboy. Are you understanding me? One Utobo say you are once with them. Now your mama was once with them. Okbo, Anumpama. Also, okoku. It is true. The news is true. Okay? The news is true. He has been captured. Very simple. He has been captured. The Utobo has been captured. He don't go. Oya Sopotilo. He don't go. He is gone. Oguwo konye wanyi kuru nobe. Odiyo wome. Oguwo. My wonderful people. Not only you, they full of joy. Me, I'm also full of joy. Which song I go to sing now? Omekwala yozo. Imagine the women that will be dancing in the village now. Imagine how women will be dancing in the village. What about Fubi? A small girl that was just a new army intake. A new army intake that went to the village to show her grandma that she had been accepted in the army. Eh? They just carry him like that. Fire. Eh? One Utobo say, are you against Igbo? Look at it. Can you imagine the type of human being that is asking me this question? So you now, are you happy they captured Gentoo or not? So I shouldn't be happy that they captured Gentoo. You're here asking me, I'm for Igbo or what? Are you? Eh? Okoku. Also, Mpama. One of those who they there with a fake name with Chinese Mandarin writing. Go and cry. All of you, they must buy each and every one of you. And those of on our way go after people family. All of on our family, they go after them. Yes, it is okay where people go live gentle family. They've got life. If they like, may they run go anywhere where they like. Okay? If they like, may they go anywhere. Okay, where people, I go use this one, know whether when I don't get sense, I do when I never get sense. I go use this one, know whether when I get sense, I do when I don't get sense. Now this one I go take no. Whether when I get sense, I do when I don't get sense. Every single person that worked with gentle, recycling. Recycling. See, I don't know if you people will see living gentle or vegetable gentle. Because according to the information, be like say bullet touch and bad place. So I don't know whether you go die alive when I go see him or you no go die alive. Now the information where would they get now? Okay? We don't know whether you go die alive now in body on I go see or you dey on your way to Abuja now for interrogation. But I know that according to the report, be like say you know to they alive, they boundary, they border between the living and the dead. Okay? So this is what awaits each and every single one of them. You can eat your money for how many years you like. You can buy people, sell their vehicles, sell body parts, do whatever you want to do. But one day will be one day. One day will be one day. Hand go touch you. If the agent will say hand go touch and you go agree, okay. Those of on our way still they sacrifice people, say now for protection. All the people where gentle buy, all the so-called juju where you do, how far, how market? Eh? How far, how market? Eh? How far, how market? Why did juju not save them? All the human finish, if that is shrine where they give person. How come none of them save them? Eh? Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. Inform everybody, let them know that we in Igbo, we are happy. Use this one to know that juju is scam. There is no power in that juju. Fake. Especially you where the buy person, you say, hey, juju, that which kind of juju go they help you to buy person? You know they exist. You know they exist. Okay? Where is juju now? Gentle boys, you see those on our native doctors, where they come, say then they do alpha, this one na sabo, that one na sabo. At least now I know say them be fake. Go after them immediately. Go after them immediately. All their nonsense shrine, you know they work. If they work, then for no catch gentle. Okay? If you they work, then for no catch gentle. Are you understanding me? Then for no arrest gentle. If you they work, all those native doctors where they say man na bring people ishi, go collect your own ishi. Yes. Go collect your own ishi now. There is no power there and there is absolutely nobody. You are offending by removing their issue. Tell them say they make on a go promote people issue, buy people, beat them, use them, do sacrifice. Still, they still catch gentle. What is the need of the sacrifice? Eh? Waiting be the need of the sacrifice now. After every they still arrest gentle. And I don't see all those issues when they bring, they use and do business. Ndị Igbo, every single native doctor that is involved in this thing should not be taking in oxygen. I will leave it at that. They should not be taking in oxygen. You never see it on national news because this one na regional news you dey listen to like this, abi? Eh? This one na regional news you dey listen to. We are giving you updates and they are telling us you haven't seen it on national news. Which kind of national news pass this one? No mind them. My people, the wages of sin is spying. The wages of sin is spying. And this one has received his own. Like I said, I am not sure he is completely alive. His execution should be there. That's if he never died by now. Because I hear say something enter in body. They give him woto. He collects. He chop am. Body tell am. My people, please thumbs it up and share. Invite all your people, invite all our people, made in the year. At least now when they talk of army, make people know say army still there. Our army na still our army. Army still tanda, body still dey cloth. Don't let it go. Age they go to gentle Ratiboa. Ratiboa in the cage. General. Temu general don't meet 3 generals, but he don't tell her. He dey believe. He dey believe. One Tozo say he go soon buy. I know say your Nandi go soon buy. Now Shebi they don't talk and say you know where. Now from that place you go buy. Umutobo. Let me block one on Ozu. Up Nigeria army. Up army. Up the. Who be that? Okay, I know the person. It's a confirmed news. Me and he said Juju no work. There is no Juju anywhere. Okay? There is no Juju anywhere. And army will send him to that is Biafra. He must reach that Biafra. He must reach Biafra. Yeah, so His Excellency, Senator Hope Uzodimma. If you do like this now, before they call you Ikegbo, I can't get Ikegbo. I won't need to behave off man like this. I can when they get carry them. Eh? If you give us security, go live for Abuja 40 years. Who cares? Eh? And Igbo must be liberated. Now, wow. Ask him asking Okabuzuku Imo State. Eh? Ask him asking Okabuzuku Imo State. All hell senator, hell push on them. You see, if you they leave these people, they go leave you. But you push them, they will know their job. They will know their job. You don't understand me, ba? Somebody say, let me go and tell Simon Ekpa. Let him know. Let him know. Leave angel makeup. Age de kodonye nko. Bruce angel makeup kama njide. Eh? Let me block one also. Please, as you people they greet, Mona help me greet our able Senator Hope. When the kids for the aeroplane, so who say the plane? They went no, nobody cares. Yeah, if you follow the plane, they go France now. Nobody cares. You say the arrest has to do with Enugu. You say lie. Don't worry. One a very good day. I go explain to Ona. We'll give them up. He say attention shift to enjoy makeup. No, that one no go difficult to hold. Okay, you know go dey difficult to hold. They go hold am. They go hold am. They go hold am. I am very sure of what I'm saying. Gentle shall disturb Okigwe no more. Gentle shall disturb Imo State no more. Akwa okuko tiwara kinoba. Akwa see that guy handle. Akwa see shege for in hand. Akwa see shege for these people hand. And not no the person go use them carry Akwa. Eh? He say Jamaica. No. You know say when somebody time don't reach, even if you give them Rolls Royce or Ferrari or Lamborghini, say see this road, carry them, run straight for your life. You go reverse, go back to where they go buy them. Please hit the share button. Kai, I'm the happiest man. You say, may they carry him come Okigwe? No. We don't need to carry him come Okigwe. We need to carry him come in your Okigwe. Chinas and Wewu next. I hear say Chinas and Wewu don't go Australia. I will still confirm that one. I say now gradually by gradually, now one after the other, we go to follow them. Hear me and hear me clearly. There is nobody involved in this thing that will go scot-free. Are you understanding me? Free. Now me they tell you that one. Believer, it will never happen. We are here to stay. Whether Chukwu call Febu, Dudele himself is here or not, the people that will come out after us will make sure that none of the people who are involved in this thing will taste the beauty of an Igbo that is coming. I want to tell you something. By the time this is over, a great Ali Igbo will rise. That is Ali Igbo that nobody would ever brainwash again. Ali Igbo where people will be thinking like human beings. Ali Igbo where our kids will be leading in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. We need, in terms of technology, we should be leading Africa, and it should be the Southeast leading the front. Not all these diagnosis sit at home. We've given them our land. They've managed it for half a century. This is what they gave us. It's time for the people to rise up and take back their land and decide how the next half a century will be. Okay? They've told us it's either them or us, and we are going to tell them that it won't be us, it will be them. It's either them or us. One will go. They are the ones that will go. Evil can never defeat good, except good men refuse to fight. We have left them for a long time. Okay? We've left them for a long time. Now we are coming to reclaim our land. Those of them that say they are from Israel, please use your Google map. On I say when I'm from Egypt to migrate, you reach Sudan, you say, man, I still follow the same way they go back. You see this our Igbo, it will swallow each and every one of you, both the politicians, every single person involved. Victor Sunday said this guy by him brother. So many people, you are not the only one. Many people buy their fathers, many people buy their mother. These ones are the ones where we know there are people who have been declared missing for long, and they don't know say na him do them. Okay? Share the video. Spread the news. Spread the news. Of course, we the saboteurs, we run this game. We run this game. We will never let them. No. It's been long coming. Let me block one also. See these ones, they are copying. Keep copying, no. You say, Jelle, please come TikTok. No, TikTok now when I reach house. You say after God, now government. Now government to be the God where you see. Now government be the God. You know, see when they say make everybody stay inside house, they've captured Gentle. There is no longer breaking news. It's no longer breaking news. They've captured the also. The Utobo is in custody. The Utobo don't collect. Of them. Bring the information.